Students, welcome to the video lecture 6 on the topic compressible flow. In the today's class, we will study the propagation of pressure waves or disturbances in a compressible fluid. We are going to study the propagation of the pressure waves or disturbances for three different cases. That is when Mach number is less than 1, when Mach number is equals to 1, and when Mach number is greater than 1. See, whenever any disturbance is produced in a compressible fluid, the disturbance is propagated in all the directions with a velocity of sound that is equal to c. We have treated in this module velocity of sound is equals to c, that will be equals to the velocity of the pressure waves. Nature of propagation of the disturbance, it depends upon the Mach number. For that purpose we are going to study for three different cases. See, let me repeat it. The nature of propagation of the disturbance, it depends upon the Mach number. So now let us consider a small projectile is moving from left to right in a straight line in a stationary fluid. I will show you in the next slide the figures. I will show you sketches. Due to the movement of the projectile which is moving in a straight line in a stationary fluid, the disturbances will be created in the fluid, and this disturbance will be moving in all the directions with velocity equal to c. So let me show condition propagation of pressure waves or disturbances in a compressible fluid. We are going to study the first case, that is when Mach number is less than 1. We are going to call it as the subsonic flow. So let us consider a small projectile moving from left to right in a straight line in a stationary fluid. Today I have explained it. Due to this movement of the projectile, disturbance will be created in the fluid, and this disturbance will be moving in all the directions with a velocity equal to c here. This is the sketch propagation of the pressure waves for m is less than 1. Let me explain in detail here. Already I have written the content here. So when m is less than 1, that means Mach number is given by v divided by c is less than 1. This indicates velocity v is less than c, that is velocity of the pressure waves or velocity of the sound wave. So if this v divided by c should be less than 1 means, let me assume v equal to 1 unit and c is equals to 2 units. Whatever you may take, we may take 1 unit as 1 centimeter, or you can take, let us assume 1 centimeter only here for our sketch purpose. Let us assume v equal to 1 unit and c equal to 2 units. Why I am assuming like this way? Because v divided by c, if I will do the calculation, it should be less than 1. So 1 by 2, it is 0.5, which is less than 1. Referring to the figure, this figure, let the projectile is at a point and it is moving towards right. Let the projectile is at a point. Here point A is marked. Let the projectile, here the projectile is at point A here. I am showing here. Let the projectile is at point A and it is moving towards right. Let in 4 seconds the projectile reaches to position B. The projectile initially is at point A and it is moving towards right, that is it is moving towards point B. So let this projectile reaches the point B, from A to point B, it reaches in 4 seconds. The projectile reaches to the position B in 4 seconds. So at point A here, 4 is marked. It is 4 seconds. It indicates 4 seconds. The position of the projectile, you can see here, the position of the projectile after 1 second, after 2 seconds, after 3 seconds, after 4 seconds are shown along the lines are shown by the points 3, point 2, point 1 and point B. You can see here the projectile is at point A, it is moving towards right, and this projectile, it reaches the point B in 4 seconds. So in 4 seconds means, so after 1 second the projectile reaches at point 3. After again 1 second the projectile reaches at point 2. Again after 1 second the projectile reaches at point 1. Again after 1 second, that means total after 4 seconds the projectile reaches to point B. Already we have explained here, the projectile A, it takes to reach point B total 4 seconds. Let me continue it. Distance AB equal to 4V, because this V indicates the velocity of the body which is moving in a stationary fluid. That means projectile is moving here. So hence the distance AB is equals to 4V, because the projectile, it is a solid body is moving from A to B. For that purpose I have written here distance AB equal to 4V, where V is equals to 1 units. So it is 4 units. So the disturbance created at point A in 4 seconds will move a distance 4c. Will move a distance. Whenever this projectile is moving, the disturbance is creating here. And this disturbance which is created at point A in 4 seconds will move a distance 4c. That means 4 into c, that is equals to 4 into 2 equal to 8 units in all the directions. All the directions, see here, all the directions outside circle 8. For that purpose, taking A as the center and radius equal to 8 units, a circle is drawn. This circle gives the position of the disturbance after 4 seconds. See here, now I will explain you. The disturbance which is created at point A in 4 seconds will move a distance 4c, that is 4 into 2 equal to 8 units in all the directions. Hence now here, how to draw this disturbance of the pressure waves? Taking point A as the center and radius equal to 8 units, that means 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter will take. So 8 centimeter as the radius, taking this point A as the center and radius equal to 8 units, a circle is drawn like this way. Taking point A as the center point and radius equal to 8 units, like this way the circle is drawn. The similar procedure is followed for next. Now when the projectile after 1 minute, when it reaches to point 3, it will from point 3 it will reach to point 3 in 3 seconds, because total distance, total limit, that is total time required from A to B is 4 seconds. So after 1 second it will reach point 3. So from point 3 to point B, it requires 3 minutes, 3 seconds to reach from point 3 to point B. Hence the distance 3B, that will be equals to 3V units. It will be equal to 3 into 1 unit, that will be equals to 3 units. Already I have written here 3B equal to 3V, equal to 3 into 1, that will be equals to 3 units. But the disturbance which is created at point 3 in 3 seconds will move a distance having a radius 3c, that will be equals to 3 into c equal to 2 units, 3 into 2 equal to 6 units. So here how we will draw this? Taking point P as the center point and radius equal to 6 units, circle is drawn like this way. Taking point 3 as the center and radius as 6 units, a circle is drawn. Now next, when the projectile from 3, after 1 minute it reaches to point 2. So from 2 to B, in order to reach the projectile from point 2 to point B, it requires 2 seconds. Sorry, it requires 2 seconds. That means that it requires 2 seconds. That means 2v, that will be equals to 2b equals to 2v, 2 into 1 unit will be equals to 2 units. Hence the disturbance created at point 2 will have the radius equal to 2c units. That is 2 into 2, because c is equal to 2 units. 2 into 2 equal to 4 units. So here taking point 2 as the center and radius as 4 units, a circle is drawn like this way. A circle is drawn like this way. Next, similarly, after 1 second again, the projectile reaches point 1. So from point 1 to point B, the projectile, it requires 1 second to reach from point 1 to point B. That means the distance 1b, that will be equals to 1v, that will be equals to 1 into 1 will be equals to 1 units. Hence the disturbance created at point 1 in 1 second will move a distance 1c, that will be equals to 1 into 2 units, that will be equals to 2 units in all the directions like this way. There, taking point 1 as the center and 2 units as the radius, a circle is drawn like this way. A circle is drawn like this way. So by seeing this figure, we can tell that as in this case, it is V is less than C, the pressure wave, this pressure wave is always ahead of the projectile. You can see here, these pressure waves are always ahead of the projectile, and point B is inside the sphere of radius 8 units. You can see here, this point B is inside this sphere of radius 8 units, and the pressure wave is always ahead of the projectile. This is the propagation of the pressure waves when Mach number is less than 1. And m is equals to 1, that is sonic flow. M is Mach number is equals to 1, we are going to call that flow as sonic flow. So here when m is equals to 1, so now let us assume that v equal to 1 unit and c is also equals to 1 unit, because we require Mach number, that is v divided by c is equals to 1 only. That is v also 1 unit, c also 1 unit, 1 divided by 1 will be 1 only. For that purpose I have written here 1 equal to 1. So similarly here also, the projectile is at point A. If the projectile wants to move from point A to point B, it requires 4 seconds to move the projectile from point A to point B. Hence the disturbance created at point A in 4 seconds will move having a radius 4 c units. That is 4 into c is equals to 4 units, because c is 1 here. 4 into 1 will be equals to 4 units in all the directions. Now here how we will draw this pressure waves, disturbance of pressure waves. Disturbance created at point A in 4 seconds will be having a radius 4c, that will be equals to 4 into 1, that will be equals to 4 units in all the directions. Here taking point A as the center and radius equals to 4 units, a circle is drawn like this way. Very easy to draw these pressure waves. You can see here, taking point A as the center and radius equals to 4 units, circle is drawn. Similarly, after 1 second, when the projectile reaches at point T, so it requires 3 seconds to move the projectile from point 3 to point B. Hence this will be equals to 3v units. That means 3 into 1 will be equals to 3 units. See here, this is 3 units only. Hence the disturbance created at point 3 in 3 seconds will move having a radius equals to 3 c units. 3 into c, that will be equals to 3 into 1 will be equals to 3 units in all the directions. So here how we will draw, taking point 3 as the center point and radius equals to 3 units, a circle is drawn here like this way. A circle is drawn here, taking point 3 as the center and radius equals to 3 units, a circle is drawn. Now after 1 second, again the projectile reaches to point 2. So the projectile, in order to move from point 2 to point B, it requires 2 seconds. It requires 2 seconds. Hence, the disturbance created at point 2 in 2 seconds will move having a radius equals to 2 C units. 2 into C, that will be equals to 2 into 1 will be equals to 2 units in all the directions. There how we will draw, taking point 2 as the center and radius as 2 units, a circle is drawn like this way. Now after 1 second, again the projectile moves at point 1. So in order to move the projectile from point 1 to point B, it requires 1 second. Hence the disturbance created at point 1 in 1 second will move having a radius will be equals to 1 into C units. That will be equals to 1 into 1 units in all the directions. So taking point 1 as the center and radius as 1 units, a circle is drawn here. Taking point 1 as the center and radius equals to 1 units, a circle is drawn like this way. So this is the nature of propagation of pressure waves when Mach number is equals to 1, that is sonic flow. When Mach number is greater than 1, that is we are going to call it as the supersonic flow. So refer this figure. So here Mach number is greater than 1. Now let us assume here let V equals to 1 units and C is equals to 0.5 units. Why I am assuming C equal to 0.5 units? So Mach number is given by V divided by C. When I fill the values V divided by C, that value should be greater than 1. For that purpose, V is equals to 1 unit we have taken, C is equals to 0.5 units. 1 divided by 0.5, it will be 2. That means 2 is greater than 1. That means this condition is satisfied. Here also, let the projectile move from A to B here. Same sketch. Let the projectile is at point A. In order to reach this projectile from point A to point B, it requires 4 seconds to move the projectile from A to B. Distance traveled by the projectile in 4 seconds, that will be equals to 4 into V, where V is 1 unit, that will be equals to 4 into 1 will be equals to 4 units. Let us take AB equal to 4 units. But the disturbance created at point A in 4 seconds will move having a radius that will be equals to 4 into C units. That means 4 into C equals to 4 into 0.5 equal to 2 units. So the disturbance created at point 4 will move having a radius equals to 4 into C units, where C is equals to 0.5. 4 into 0.5 will be 2. So taking point A as the center and radius equals to 2 units, a circle is drawn like this way. A circle is drawn. This is a circle. The figure is looking like ellipse, but it is not like that way. As we have compressed the figure, it is looking like this way, but it is a circle only. Taking point A as the center and radius equals to 2 units, a circle is drawn. So similarly here also, again after 1 seconds, the projectile will reach point 3. It requires 3 seconds to move the projectile from point 3 to point B. That will be equals to 3 into V, that will be equals to 3 units. Hence the disturbance created at point 3 in 3 seconds will move a radius having a distance that will be equals to 3 into C units, where C is equals to 0.5. 3 into 0.5, that will be equals to 1.5 units. So taking point 3 as the center and radius equals to 1.5 units, a circle is drawn like this way. You can see here a circle is drawn like this way. Next, after 1 second, the projectile will reach point 2. So in order to reach the projectile from point 2 to point B, it requires 2 seconds. Hence the disturbance created at point 2 in 2 seconds will move having a radius equals to 2 into C units, where C is equals to 0.5 unit. 2 into 0.5, that will be equals to 1 unit. Hence, taking point 2 as the center and radius equals to 1 unit, a circle is drawn like this way. A circle is drawn like this way. Next, after 1 second, the projectile reaches to point 1. So in order to move the projectile from point 1 to point B, it requires 1 seconds. So taking point, hence the disturbance created at point 1 in 1 second will move the disturbance having a radius will be equals to 1 into C units, where 1 into C is 0.5, 1 into 0.5 will be equals to 0.5 units. Taking point 1 as the center and 0.5 units as the radius, a circle is drawn like this way. So these are the propagation of pressure waves or disturbances which are created in the stationary fluids. So now when so this is let us end here only.